Hello everyone, this is Dr. Simal Soin. Yeah, I'm founder and chief dermatologist at Aayna Clinic. Today I'm going to speak to you about dermal fillers. There's always been so much curiosity around dermal fillers, what they do, are they going to be safe, are they going to be natural, will they cause any side effects. So आज मैं इसके बारे में थोड़े से डिटेल में बात करके आपको समझाती हूँ और इसके जो डाउट्स आपको हैं और जो कंसर्न्स लेके आते हैं लोग जो उनके माइंड में हैं जिसकी वजह से वो नई एक ब्यूटीफुल ट्रीटमेंट को नहीं अवेल कर पाते, आई विल टॉक अबाउट दैट फॉर अ बिट. सो ऑल डर्मल फिलर्स आर द सेम. इसका मतलब है कि पीपल थिंक कि जो डर्मल फिलर एक लिप में जाता है वही फेस में जा सकता है, वही अंडर आइज में जा सकता है, वही नेक में. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं है. They are all different fillers depending, like you might need a heavier molecular weight filler for the sides of the face. You will need a lighter filler for the lips. You will need an even lighter filler for the under eye area. So they are all the fillers that go into different parts of the face are different. You cannot put one that you put on the side of the face into your lips. And then there are even lighter fillers which are used on the whole face, which basically are used for hydration. तो वो deeper layers में जाके face को hydrate करते हैं, rejuvenate करते हैं और उसका बहुत ग्लो देते हैं फेस में. देन सब सोचते हैं कि इससे हमारा लुक बहुत अननेचुरल हो जाएगा, फेक हो जाएगा, हम कोई और लगेंगे. बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू दैट इफ़ यू आर अ स्किलफुल इंजेक्टर, जिस डॉक्टर के पास आप जाते हैं, अगर उसमें स्किल है तो वो कभी आपको कोई अननेचुरल लुक नहीं देगा, बिकॉज दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ अ गुड डॉक्टर एंड अ गुड फिलर टुगेदर, दैट व्हेन दे गिव यू अ रिजल्ट इट शुड बी सो नेचुरल कि किसी को पता ही नहीं चले कि आपने फिलर किया है. अगर किसी को पता चला कि आपने ट्रीटमेंट किया है और उस वजह से आप अच्छे लग रहे हैं, उसका तो फायदा ही नहीं. सो इट्स रियली इम्पोर्टेंट. इन फैक्ट आई ऑलवेज से दिस in aesthetics that less is more. And what's the point of a treatment where you can actually tell that something's been done? So good doctors will give you a rejuvenated, dramatic, glamorous, anti-age look, but nobody should be able to say something's been done. That's the key. Dermal fillers can replace a surgical facelift? Not at all. Dermal fillers, along with perhaps a non-surgical facelift, are a far superior way to address aging than do a surgical facelift, in my view. No offense to all the wonderful plastic surgeons there, but it's a much more, so with a surgical facelift, you bring it up, it all sort of goes up, but that's it. But this still keeps falling. So doing a non-surgical facelift and a dermal filler together, you can give a very natural, contoured, fuller look with some anterior projection and enhancement, which you may not be able to get with the surgical facelift. Surgical facelift will essentially only lift and contour. Fillers are permanent and irreversible? No, they are not. Fillers, usually the ones that we use or the ones which are the safest, are made of hyaluronic acid, and that's a natural constituent of your body, and they will go away after a period of time, as they should. You never ever want to put anything permanent and irreversible in your face. So in fact, the time which they last vary. In some people they last much longer, whereas in some people they go away quickly, and people who exercise lose fillers much faster and they need to come back to do it much faster. Then another myth is when people think that if they start doing dermal fillers once, they're going to continue to have to do it. No, you will not. And it's not like you'll start looking older after that, or your face will sag more, or it'll stretch more. It's going to look the way it did, probably better after you started doing dermal fillers, because you have had some collagen remodeling and enhancement in your face. No, you're never going to look worse ever. You will just look the way that your age permits you to look. And again, you don't have to keep doing it, you will only want to keep doing it. So आपका दिल करेगा कि the dermal fillers looked good on me, मेरे को सूट करते थे, so I should do them. So अगर आपको कुछ और questions हैं, concerns हैं, और आप फिलर्स की सेफ्टी के बारे में पता करना चाहते हैं या इंजेक्शन है, कितना दर्द होता है, सो प्लीज़ कम and visit us and understand more about it.